Universal Orlando has officially announced Citywalk will open with limited access to some of their shops and restaurants on May 14th. Voodoo Donuts, Margaritaville, and the Universal Studios store are among the shops and restaurants opening from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Guests are required to follow CDC guidelines, which will also be required when entering the park when it reopens, possibly in late May. Some of those rules require team members and guests to wear masks at all times and be subject to temperature checks before entry. Guests are required to wash hands often and practice social distancing when in shops, restaurants, and walking around Citywalk. Venue capacity will be lowered to help with social distancing, as well as offering cashless payment to avoid close contact. It is assumed that the soft opening will help Universal know what is needed when the theme parks reopen later this month. This is also important for HHN to gauge at what capacity the event can run. For a full comprehensive list of rules and regulations, visit Universal Orlando's website.